Sa ano ng kanta natin sa panahon ko, what about me? Ako yun, ako yung nahaya. Hello. Sabi mo ba? Let's go. Yes, welcome.
As they bring this death to life, mukhang ready na ata ang ating mga audience. Ready na ba kayo? Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed, the radiant and empowering Miss Tony Miranda.
Sometimes you live your day-to-day moment. Lead, inspire, and make people believe. Okay? Leadership is us about quiet leadership. Power, okay? To lead them positively. Okay, thank you. Utang or gumagapang. We have passionate love. We have, so what labels did you acquire sa intrusion? Saan talaga mag-lead? Okay, so instead of saying cheers, and sana bago mo mag-ryan. Now, this time, and it doesn't have to be always in alignment. Profit, popularity.
Ito yung word ko.
Alam mo ba? Enlighten you. So please, ako yun. You are disregarding you. Another one. Sino nakapit yung sa DJs nila? Even one. And these are the three things that can umabot ako ulit.
Thank you so much po. So for our first
Them to talk. Innovation is another sign of that actually inspires and move others. Is your calmness.
The location, the content.
camera,
Caretaker leader. Are we good? We just need to understand.
Talagang nag-e-enjoy yung mga tao sa loob ng room.
The lessons about leadership, we understand.
First point out that she definitely aged well. She's so pretty and
Our worth and proving ourselves that we have unique strength in
I really appreciate Madam that we should always know our worth.
And also thank you to Miss Tony for a very
One na natutunan po namin is that we have to know our worth.
The discussion was thought-provoking and it was interactive at the same time.
Giving her talk is very interactive and Thank you, Miss Tony. 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 Thank you po, Miss Tony. Thank you, Miss Tony.
Thank you sa akin.